What is up, traders? What if you could know which stocks are going to go up before they actually go up? Today, we are going to go over 3 stocks, okay? You're going to get just that. We're going to go over 3 stocks that are most likely to go up tomorrow. You guys don't want to miss this. Stock number 1 is VERU. VERU, really cool stock here. Okay, this stock definitely got beaten down, but after the earnings call, they actually shot right back up. So they shot all the way up from $12 to $18. That's a pretty massive increase, guys. That's a 50% increase. If you had invested $10,000, you would have $5,000. You'd be $5,000 richer if you sold at the top here. So not a bad play here at all. Not a bad play here at all. Man, this was a stock that we look at often, but the fact that they just got this approved, the fact that they just had an earnings call and people were impressed with it, that's what caused the stock price to be pushed upward. And it actually gapped up in the pre-market here, okay? Gapped up, wow, almost $2, only to go up $4. So it had what's called a measured move. So it gapped up $2, and then it actually went up $4 more. So a measured move is basically whatever amount that a stock gaps up or moves, it then moves that amount again or a multiple of that amount. In this case, it didn't just move $2, it actually moved $4. So it actually moved a multiple of the gap. So that's an MM, a measured move. So now you guys have more day trading terminology, okay? So if you didn't have enough of that already, I just provided you with some more. And with this stock, we're looking for it to continue its upward move tomorrow. It is near all-time highs, which is really cool. I'm not expecting it to break all-time highs, okay? Listen to me right now. I am not expecting this stock to break all-time highs. I'm not expecting it to go past $18. If it goes past $18, then that's fantastic. We can get a big win. But I'm not expecting it to do that. But you know what? You know what's really likely? You know what is extremely likely? It's a very, not a very safe play, but a fairly safe play that will most likely allow us to make money on this stock. And that is to trade the retest of this high of $18. So what I mean by that is we wait for the break of $16.35. We get into the stock, and then we sell at $17.47. Okay, that's why you see this blue line here. This is actually my sell target, $12.47. Okay, or I'm sorry, $17.37. $17.37. So what are we doing here? Why are we trying to sell this stock at $17.37? Why don't we sell it at $18? Why don't we wait for $18 to break? Well, because it may not break. It may not go to $18. It may not. We know there's a high probability that the stock is going to go up tomorrow, but we have to combine that high probability with the very practical knowledge that, hey, if this stock doesn't, when this stock goes up, how much is it going to go up? How much do we expect this stock to go up tomorrow? Well, especially given that we had a really good day in the market today, tomorrow the market's probably not going to be that great. So here's you're getting a warning now. The market tomorrow is probably not going to be that great. Certainly not as good as today. Okay, I could be wrong. I'm not a fortune teller, but history shows us that after a really good day in the stock market, the next day just doesn't tend to be all that good. So with that in mind, tomorrow I'm going to play it conservatively. My students are going to play it conservatively. Okay, members, if you're interested in joining, Feel free to join the Discord to get more information, get updates on our trades. That link is in the description. But the point is, we go with what's likely. And what's likely, as a trader, we have to deal with what's likely. So what is likely to happen tomorrow? Well, likely tomorrow the market's going to be fairly poor. I'm still going to trade. My students are still going to trade, but we're going to be very careful. Tomorrow, it's very likely that VERU will go up. But first we need confirmation, so we need to see the stock push up past 1635. And second, we're not going to shoot for a really high play on this one, okay? Today was the day for really high plays. I mean, we talked about BNGO. We got bingo on BNGO. Look at this. Stock gapped up from $3.23. Remember when I said if $3 breaks, it's going to go up a lot? Well, it went to $3 to $4.35. So yes, we got like a 50% increase on that. That's substantial, right? 50% in one day. And then of course, if you're smart with it, you sell it at the right places. Point is, when we get those kind of moves, right? When we see that kind of price action, that is great, but we also have to be careful the next day because we can't expect the market to keep going up with the same kind of momentum each and every day on each and every stock. So we want to get confirmation with VERU after it passes 1635, probably at the open, okay, in the first 30 minutes of the day. So you guys should be trading early. You want to buy shares of the stock as it passes through this $16.35 level. And how far should you put your stop loss? Well, a pretty good place for the stop loss to me is 1565. So if you buy at 1635 and you put a stop loss at 1535, then that means you have about 80-cent stop loss. My math is probably off there, but okay, so 1535 to 1635. So it's about $1 stop loss, right? $1 stop loss. So I don't want to hear anybody losing more than $1. If you have an account under 25,000, then that means that you want to at least have one day trade in your account just in case you have to close this position out early. But if you are in line with that, if you can do that, then this could be a really beneficial play because after the break of 1635, then we're looking to get a push all the way up here to 1731. I think I just said 1737 last time. 1731 is more likely. So that's a profit target of about $1. Okay, not bad. And here's the thing: it's very likely to happen. So tomorrow, most likely, we're going to see the stock push up to this point at some point. There might be a small dip, and then it might push up from there. But after it breaks the 1635 level, it's very likely that the stock will go to the $17.21 level. So we definitely want to look at the stock and be thinking about getting into this stock around the $16, $16.35 level. Okay. So that our first stock pick is VERU. Our second stock pick is HUMA. So HUMA, this is Humacyte Incorporated. Really cool stock here. It's going to have earnings tomorrow. So it could gap down tomorrow, it could gap up. But something's going to happen with it. Something's definitely going to happen with it. Traders are excited. They're happy with it so far. Maybe they're going to be disappointed tomorrow. Maybe they're going to be really satisfied tomorrow. But they're satisfied, this could definitely push up farther. In fact, it can push up to as much as $5.50, even $6 at the most. I don't really see it going farther than that. But again, this is one of those stocks where it's like, yes, this can have a big move. Just like VERU. VERU breaks the $16 high, and that can have a really big move too. Man, that can go to the moon. So really look forward to reporting on that tomorrow, how far it actually goes up. But again, profit target for VERU, be reasonable. My profit target for HUMA is actually just under $5. Use a 15-cent stop loss. I swear I am going to make a video on stop losses because some of you guys are just buying the stocks on this list and not using the stop loss. And so that's not going to work. If you guys trade this list, if you guys trade these stocks, they have huge profit potential. They could double. But you guys need to put a stop loss on in case they go the other way, or even if they do go up and you maybe you forget to take profits or you keep holding even when after they go up. These are not stocks for you to hold on to buy and hold for a period of days and find out what happens. You can if you have your own conviction in the stock. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but these stocks are for day trading. So we want to get into the stock at a good level and then sell them at a profit in the same day and have the position closed out at the end of the day. At least that's what I'm showing you how to do. So we are definitely looking at these stocks as really big wins for tomorrow. This is stock number 2, HUMA. Stock number 3 is AUR. AUR had earnings a few days ago. It kind of pushed down, and now it's in a slow uptrend. Now, what I like about AUR is it's had 2 upward days, and it has potential. So it can push up to $3 and maybe 85 cents, $3.63, and it has a pretty clear support level. So I like, there's a few things that I like about this stock, really. If we can see it come up to these levels, then yeah, we can definitely get some money out of this stock. So my profit target is $3.49, right before the $0.50 level. So let me put that here, so you guys can actually see me put the profit target there. Boom. Okay, that's right there. This is AUR. Okay, we can either buy it here at the lows using about a 10 to 15 cent stop loss, or we can buy it up here at as it breaks $3.30, which is yesterday's high. All right, so these are highly likely plays. AUR, HUMA, VERU, really likely plays for tomorrow. I actually have some other safe plays as well, like Matterport. And these plays, well, they can turn out really well. They can turn out really good. We want to see these stocks push up past these key levels that I have marked here. So like for AUR, it's $3.27. We want to see it push up past that, and then it can go up further. It seems to really respect VWAP today, so that could be an indicator that we're looking at. So this yellow line that you can add to your charts called the volume weighted average price, it's possible you can use that as an area to determine whether the stock is strong or not, because if it's going below the VWAP, then that could be not good, but if it goes above it or it bounces above it, then that could be really good. So let me really sum up that we, as day traders, we're normally buying breakouts. We're buying these stocks as they go past these key levels, especially in the first hour of the day from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. if you're in Pacific Standard Time, to 8:30 a.m. or what is it in Eastern Time? I believe it's 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So we're buying these stocks as they go through these pivot points. We're adding a stop loss, okay? Stop loss. I said that a few times now. Hopefully you guys now get the picture. So you got your stop loss, and then we're going to set a profit target, a reasonable profit target, to take profits on these stocks should they go up, and then we stop trading. Okay, so once we reach the profit target, we stop trading. Again, you guys can do what you like, but I am here to provide you with the safest and possibly most lucrative way of trading these stocks that I know. And so that's kind of my 2 cents on it. Remember, the market's likely to be pretty bad tomorrow, or at least pretty flat. It's like the whole market is just like a stock. It will go up, and when it goes up a lot, the next day it's kind of slow or it goes down, and then the next day it could go up or it could go down. And then if it goes down a lot, then the next day it could probably go up quite a bit. That's actually what happened. We had a really terrible day yesterday, and so today was really good, and that's what tends to happen. So just to give you guys kind of an example of how the S&P 500 works, how the overall market trends tends to work. And last thing I want to say is, thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for spending this time with me in the stock market and learning about trading. So hopefully you guys can make some money tomorrow, follow the trade plan. I almost said use the stop loss again, but I'm going to not say that, just so you guys know that I know that you hear me, and I trust you to make good decisions. So, thanks again for coming to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.